Bought the vehicle from Copart and it is 11:15 at night and I'm about to receive it. Let's see how this goes. This is cracking me up, I'm not gonna lie. This is making me laugh. I am standing in the pitch dark waiting for this vehicle in my driveway. I don't know why I'm whispering, nobody can damn well hear me, but waiting for this truck to arrive. It's exciting, really exciting. Sounds like a vehicle slowing down. It's the truck. Oh boy. It's going to be interesting. This is interesting now. I got my truck doing my wee woo lights. There's a transport vehicle and in front of that is a new Rivian. Huh. And mine's right in the front, of course. The guy's taking a cruise in the car. Hey, that's fine. That's fine. I'm happy they got up here. Tons of fluid when it first started up, but I'm happy about it. The guy got it started. Tons of fluid is pouring out. Don't know what that is, but it starts. Ball! Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Hey! This should buff out perfectly fine, no problem. I'll just put that back somewhere. This can get straightened out. I got a hammer, I can do that. JB weld this stuff back together. Here we have a 2016 Cadillac ATS-V that I'm going to be rebuilding. Wish me the best of luck. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the stuff that came with the car that's not on the front. Yeah, this is going to take a minute. I believe those are all the parts that we have inside the vehicle now. The brother told me that there might be some stuff in the trunk. Take a look. Seriously? Yes! Yeah, baby! Yes, he was right. There are other parts in the trunk. See what kind of parts they are. They look expensive. These are parts that we can definitely utilize, get part numbers off them, get them replaced. This headlight looks still good. That one on the other hand, it's seen better days. But also, we have most of the parts that we actually need with part numbers. Most of the stuff doesn't look too bad, like this wire harness, which I know it's about 80 bucks, somewhere around there. But they all got part numbers on there, so they'll be easy to cross-reference. But we got most of the big parts that we actually need. Would you believe it? Those parts fitted over here. Yeah, hard to believe. Just a little bit of JB weld, super glue, back to normal, no problem. I believe this is a 3.6 V6 twin turbo. I am pretty surprised with this kind of frontal impact. None of the airbags are blown. None of them. Pretty surprised. I know, watching some of you guys' videos, the seatbelts didn't even lock out. Which makes me think, I know what happened to the vehicle. With the front smashed, the airbags not deployed, the vehicle was parked. It was not running or driving at the time of that crash. Now further inspection, seeing the crash bars, the impact happened this way. And I suspect a rhinoceros. The vehicle was parked at a safari, and a rhinoceros came from that direction, saw a bale of hay sitting on that direction, and the vehicle is in its way. So of course what rhinoceroses do is they charge full speed at any vehicle that is dark colored and whack! And the occupants were not in the vehicle at the time, they were having ice cream. I figured it out. That's what happened. A damn rhinoceros. Apparently these rims aren't stock with the ATS-V. They're aftermarket. Innovet, I think that's what they are. I believe they're like $1,400 and they're not stock with this Cadillac. These are 20-inch rims. I've got to get this car cleaned up, but yeah, these are not stock and I think they look really good with them. Really good. What do you guys think? Comment down below what do you guys think of those rims. The front driver one does need to be fixed up a little bit. It's got a little curb rash, but nothing major. I mean, the rims are in great condition. Get them repaired and put them back on the vehicle. Yeah. I cannot believe that my golf cart moved it. Pulled it straighter and then I've got the tractor pulling it back from the garage. Pretty close into the area, but I'm pretty surprised that both of these are working together. I mean, an electric battery and a diesel tractor. John Deere. It's just a baby. I can't believe this little electric go-kart just moved this vehicle a little bit straighter, right in position, perfect. And now what I'm going to do is get off the dollies. Yeah, dollies. And then I'm going to start the vehicle and get it to move forward. Not for long. I mean, all the radiators are mainly damaged, so it's not going to be for a short period of time. It does run and drive, but when you put it into gear, it takes a second for it to move. So I believe that the transmission fluid radiator is all damaged. Leaked all the fluid out and hasn't got any transmission fluid in there, which we're going to get replaced, but we're going to get it moving. The tractor and the electric golf cart. Wow, good job guys, good job. We're able to maneuver this vehicle into place. I'm going to switch on the vehicle. Hopefully most of the fluid stays in the radiators, in the motor. I'm able to drive it over the ramp and we can get it hoisted up and start working on it. Good job guys, once again. At first glance, I thought this hood could be okay. Yes, it does need a little clean. And yes, there are a couple of scratches. The tape is on there which can be removed and cleaned up a little bit. And then that. Although the hood's going to be replaced, good news is that I don't have to replace a windshield. That's great news. No cracks. The rhinoceros did not do that much damage on it. Stupid rhino. On a plus side, underneath the hood, panels are perfectly fine. There's no damage to them. I think that's normal. But yeah, there's no damage to them, so I can always reuse these on the new hood. And I know these cost some money, so it's going to save me some money when I replace them. The hood struts seem to be perfectly fine. Same with this side. They open and close and they look very straight. Good. I'm simply removing the 4 nuts from the hood with a 13mm socket. I can't remember the last time I used a 13mm socket. That's not supposed to happen! I'm thankful for the body shop that put all the nuts and bolts back in place after they removed it. Like there. So I don't have any missing nuts or bolts. Honestly, the damage doesn't look as bad as I thought, but I won't know until I start getting things taken off and you can see how bad the damage is. Thankfully these cross members are actually they're boltable. You can bolt them on and off. There's a couple of bolts on the side here and they're designed to fold and bend and break to absorb the impact. And some of these radiators look okay. I don't know what this one is. Ooh. I don't know what that one is, but that doesn't look like it could be savable. Maybe with some JB Weld, but I don't know about that. Some sensors that seem. I wonder until let's go there. Won't know until I disassemble all the damaged stuff off of it and get a better look to it. So let's start getting to it. Oh, that doesn't look good. What the hell is that? Oh, it's some kind of oil radiator. Okay. Oh, okay, let's take it off. Let's get things off. See how bad the damage is. Need some gloves. I don't know if the suspension's supposed to be like that. Seems like that part is rubbing on the tire. And the suspension kind of looks straight. I don't know if it is straight, I'm not going to lie. But it looks like it was rubbing on the tire. Either too big of a tire or damage from the accident. Not sure. Same with this side. The passenger side. Doesn't look too good. But that shock also doesn't look too good. So I think that one is damaged. We'll get replacements. But it's also rubbing on the tire. Oh. So this is what I was talking about in my previous videos. See how the lug nuts are starred, they're just not a normal lug nut. Hopefully I got the tool for that. It's a security key lug nut bolt, or whatever you want to call it. But security key. Doesn't use a regular socket. Hopefully I got that. Nope. Not the right one. Gonna have to order this right one. Damn. Just keep in mind, we're working on an American-made vehicle. This one happens to be a Cadillac. They don't use metric sizes. Metric size ones like 12mm, 10mm, 14mm sockets or wrenches. They use 3/8, quarter inch, half inch, that kind of thing. So they don't use millimeters, they use standard size, as they call it. That's one radiator which is damaged. Hopefully I can get OEM part numbers off of these and get replacements for them. Yes, OEM part numbers right there. That's going to be so handy when I have to order replacement parts for it. That's one done. Now, oh, I thought that was going to be okay. Oh, I thought that was going to be okay. It's damaged. Man. That's some kind of bracket. Might be handy. So I'm just trying to remove this, what I believe is the transmission oil cooler. And I'm noticing more damage. Like these lines are going to be replaced. Also this radiator support bar is bent. Also, see the crack on the frame over here. Hopefully that's nothing major. Thankfully, if you look at the front railing, you can see it actually bolts right to the main frame. So I can bolt that off, remove this piece, and then put a new one on there. That's pretty cool. Hopefully there's nothing major damage with this rail, but I don't see any warping or like a wave or waffle, I'm hungry, any kind of distortion on this main frame. So I believe get this piece and we should be good. Unbolt these. Loosen these two bolts. I forgot these two. Just seen those. What I didn't realize is that there's more nuts and bolts at the back over here area, and I can't exactly bend that straight to try and get to them, so I'm going to have to remove this support brace so I can remove this front radiator, which is damaged unfortunately, and then I'll be able to get to that. So let's go for it. How bad could it be? There were so many 10mm nuts and bolts inside, outside, underneath, on top, holding this upper radiator support to this vehicle. There's a bolt over here that I've got to get to. So I've got to remove this air box. Hopefully I don't break anything. Why am I having such a hard time getting to those nuts and bolts on the side of the frame? I need to straighten out these frame rails. I really do. And if you put pancake mixture in a waffle iron, do they become waffles? I'm really hungry. Wait, I just thought of a great idea. And here is my great idea. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to see the progress what I'm going to be doing on the Cadillac, and take it easy guys, take care.